Hey guys, today we're going to teach you how to self-direct your state taxes. We're going to empower Arizona citizens. I'm just going to teach you how to do it. Alright, so not many people know that from the state taxes that you already paid, you can allocate $400 towards foster care, $400 towards public schools, $2,260 to the private schools, and $800 towards nonprofits. These figures are cut in half if you're single. So a lot of people complain about bad schools and they don't do anything about it. A lot of people want to donate and help others and give money and buy turkeys and stuff. And now you can't. Some people feel bad about foster care, the quality and the food, and some people, want to help out orphanages, and now they can't. Number 4, I put the rich keep getting richer, because if you see the private tuition program, that's for private schools, and they're getting $2,260. That's another topic. I want to focus on the positive here, that you can allocate your funds. But then again, that could be for like a low-income student who's in a private school, and maybe they have like a scholarship program, and you can pay their tuition. So that'd be nice, especially from someone in a low-income area. So just know that you can do that. Everyone pays state taxes. Nobody can run away from that. Maybe if you're like a disabled veteran, then you can at 100%. That's another topic too. So just know that you paid your state taxes, and when you get money back, you're not getting money. You're not making money. You're just getting your money back. So I don't know. Some people think like, oh, look, the state gave me money. I don't know. It's an old school way of thinking, or once you learn these kind of things, and you can manage your money a little bit better. So what's the solution here? What's the problem? The problem is that there's bad schools, right? So if you can direct your money towards public schools, especially in the bad areas, then you can improve education. You can improve the salaries of teachers. That's where I want my money to go. You can improve foster care. You can improve your community via nonprofit organizations, and maybe you can decrease the homeless population by giving to a nonprofit that focuses in that area, maybe like to Habitat for Humanity, or maybe there's some other nonprofit organization that deals with homelessness. And then number 6, I put better private school, but that was because private tuition programs get $2,000, and that's like a lot of money. And it's like you should probably direct $2,000 towards public schools that really need it. But I don't know. Maybe that's something that the law needs to change. And, that's like lobbying and stuff. That's another topic too. Alright, so who can do this? Any employee, retirees, investors, and self-employed people. Pretty much everyone. If you're an employee and you want to get a hang of things, you go to your W-2 and you look up the little box that says state taxes, so you can see how much you paid in state taxes. Then you can say, oh, well, if you paid like $2,000, and you can, pay out $400 and pay another $400 out, and another $800 out to, the organizations that you want, public schools and your nonprofits. All right, so that's for all employees. Everybody's an employee pretty much. Retirees, you've been in the game for a while and you still pay taxes on your disbursements. So take a look what you paid last year, if you know, and find out, and that way you can plan for the future and then allocate towards these programs that Arizona allows. If you're an investor, you should probably know better, because you're a money manager and you should know where every dollar goes. If you're self-employed, you don't have any time, so just tell your IRS enrolled agent to do it for you, and then sign off on it. So the step-by-step is you have until April 15th to allocate funds for the previous year, and you can do it for that same year as well. So you can choose a public school. That's what the Arizona state tax credit law is written. You can choose a private school up to $400 if you're married. You can find a nonprofit. You can do $800 there. Foster care is another $400. It's a little vague, but your tax preparation specialist can help you out with that. You'll see what I mean once you go to the Arizona Department of Revenue website. And you can choose a private school tuition program. Maybe you have one that you like. If not, you can find out on the website. I'll show you here in a minute. And then you just rinse and repeat. You keep doing it over until things get better. So you throw money at the problem. So what's the first step? You go to the Arizona Department of Revenue website here, and I'll add it in the description below. So step 1, you go to the website. Step 2, you open up the PDF list. You choose an organization. You call them. Maybe figure out what they do. And if you like them, then you can pay. Once you pay, they'll give you a receipt. You give that to your tax preparer, and they can issue a refund in the same amount. Remember, you're not making money here. You're just allocating funds. You're redirecting money. So the technology, there is no technology. All we did was educate you. Now you know. So you're empowered, and then it just so happens that Arizona has good state laws. Good tax laws. We lucked out on that one. It could have been up to the state completely, but it's not. You can actually manage your money, and I think that's pretty powerful, and that's a beautiful thing. So the revenue model is, remember, you're not making any money here. You're just redirecting the flow of money how you see fit. So you're a money manager. The first thing that happens here is you pay taxes, state holds your money, and then you decide where the money is spent, and then the state issues a refund. So you're not making money here. You're just redirecting, and you're becoming a money manager, a better one, and and managing the money the way you see fit. Right? All right, we already said that. Get it done before April 15. Now you can make a difference. Don't complain. If you're a complainer and you find yourself complaining about poor education systems, lousy foster care, unattainable education, and thinking that you don't even have money to donate, well, think again. You actually do.